Hi everyone, my name is Mandeep Kaur and my other teammates are Amandeep Kaur and Manisha Rani. Today we are giving a presentation about enterprise systems and its connection to digital business transformation. Now let's start with the introduction. A new era of business enterprises began after the birth of artificial intelligence. Secondly, the traditional ways of doing businesses ran down and a new technologies forced them to jump into a digital world in order to remain alive in the ever competitive economic warfare. Formally, material requirements planning software were introduced in order to handle large companies and as per cost. Moreover, in Germany, systems, applications, and products were introduced. Furthermore, after MRP in 1990, a smart application enterprise resource planning with primary focus on finance, accounting, and human resource management was evolved. The Gartner Group introduced Internet enabled ERP software, which includes functionalities like customer relation management and business intelligence. Let's move on the next slide, which is about analysis. Firstly, ERP comprehensively helps unifying all scattered or fragmented parts and sections working under one company. For instance, account sections, products, and production units. Moreover, ERP makes it much easier for staff to access and use all necessary data tools, which is centrally controlled and managed. This facility helps staff to improve and utilize their abilities in full capacity for the betterment of the company. Furthermore, the core strength of ERP applications is the central database, which allows the employees to use data for further manipulation, and there are less chances of use of incorrect data, which again saves money and time for the company. Furthermore, construction of central database help harmonious performance of the staff and also improves analytics of the businesses and improves performance of the organization to a great extent. Now let's move on the next slide, which is data analysis. Firstly, in modern business strategies, customer care and management is very important. Moreover, the trend of online presence of business and customer online shopping is increasing rapidly. Thirdly, ERP applications have customer relationship management tool. This customer relationship management tool is further connected to the central database of the ERP where customers' details are present. The data and analysis produced with the coordination customer relationship management tool. Lastly, the information is beneficial for the businesses as it helps in making secure and well calculated budgets and production plans. Now, Amandeep Kaur will present the next slides. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amandeep Kaur and I want to continue to talk about data analysis. So, firstly, efficient tracking down of costs and products using radio frequency identification. So, as we know that for the companies who are operating without ERP environment, it is hard for them to handle rapidly swelling inventory list because ERP system managed to handle the supply chain by using serial numbers and radio frequency identification tags. So these are the tools of ERP which are very helpful for the large business, and it also helps in production process, and shipping process can be more quick and more efficient because of ERP, because it is already known that which product is in the transportation and which one is still on the shelves. And ERP helps in bill of materials because it is capable of managing bill of materials, which is a great help in fixing assets of a business. After that, we're gonna talk about the case study LG Electronics. So we are here discussing about the brief history of the case study, because it is necessary to include a case study of a large company which will broaden the concept and importance of the ERP. So LG Electronics is a multinational South Korean corporation with the rank of being second largest company in the South Korea, who produce electronics, chemicals and telecom products. So this company is a multinational company, so it deals with the different countries, and it has a large business all over the world. And it is also called Lucky Gold Star in South Korea. And ultra cheap Lucky Gold Star's transformation into sophisticated LG Electronics is considered a remarkable success. And behind the scene, company's decision of adopting ERP was a major turning point, because it is a large business, and it is very helpful to include ERP in the business for the help, and it is a result in a big success in this company. After that, we gonna talk about the decision of ERP transformation. So here we gonna talk about the reasons behind the decision of ERP transformation. Due to extensive production of products, the maintenance costs were increasing rapidly, and manual processing of the various operations further brought the quality down. So LG Electronics was operating throughout the world. So it happens in the company, and ERP as a solution to the problem it was facing and was unable to handle. Poorly managed database was responsible. So as LG Electronics was operating through local management in different countries, so due to lack of centralization of collection, so reports and other data was poorly managed. So it is a reason for the decision of ERP. And decentralized data collection and analysis. And finally it became difficult for the company to sustain as a global successful company, and the company decided to take ERP as a solution to the problem it was facing, and it was unable to handle. So ERP helped LG Electronics in this situation by providing centralized database facility. So next part will be presented by my friend Manisha Rani. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manisha Rani. So I am continuing with the next slide, which was case study LG Electronics. LG was familiar with Oracle and management after carefully assessment of the situation finally decided to go for complete automation, and Oracle was hired for the completion of the gigantic task for the company. Oracle provided service to LG in data hosting on the large scale, along with shifting and digitization of old data present with the company, and a secure centralized command and control. The ERP organization application provided by Oracle was also included to build a data mart for LG. This data mart was supposed to be linked to a central database accessible for all authorized. ERP transformation process of LG also include a performance management system for the company. This performance management system also was to operate with staff portal, as all employees were to be connected with the company via its dedicated portal, where the employee not only can be reported but also use centrally available data as per provision. In the next slide, I will talk about the case study LG Electronics. After this ERP transformation, along with the utilization of creative marketing strategy, LG collected several benefits from the market. LG was able to reduce the cost of maintenance due to having centrally controlled single ERP application. In the presence of accurate data and easy access or to data enable company to bring transparency in hiring and promotion of the employee. Decision of the company were now informed and quick in the light of real time information and timely submission of reports from all branches located in the various parts of the globe. HR process of LG were improved because ERP transformation has had brought it under central control. Uh, in the last step, it will go to the conclusion. To sum up, it can be said that LG collected tremendous ace and success after opting company transformation into ERP application and system through hiring the various of Oracle. On the other hand, one should be mindful that for a company having more than 82,000 employees and presence is in more than 40 countries, this transformation was not an easy task. The transformation was planned in 5 phases and could be able to complete in 5 year time span to 2002 to 2006. Transformation to ERP application finally enabled LG to meet the challenges emerging from all location and global center. Human resources were efficiently managed with increased proficiency of the staff all over the company. Moreover, transparency in the system enhanced the trust of the employee over company's management, and this factor removed under visualization of the captaincy of the higher staff. Currently, LG is fully automatic ERP transformed company and progressing rapidly due to the benefit of ERP transformation for the growing companies. So these are the references. If you have any question, then I am happy to answer for that. So thank you.